वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। एंड आज मैं राजस्थान का ट्रिप शूट करने वाली हूँ। बेसिकली इट इज़ अ 3 day ट्रिप, अ मिनी ट्रिप, एंड आई टेल यू द फर्दर डिटेल्स इन द वीडियो। तो हमारे ट्रिप का मेन रीज़न है हमारी कुल देवी के दर्शन करना, बिकॉज नन ऑफ माई फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैव एवर विजिटेड द मंदिर. So we decided to take a trip to Rajasthan. We reached Pune station quite early before time, because it is always better to do so in case train का कुछ problem हो जाए या there is delay. So you have a option to search for another trains. Reached Pune railway station and our train is Mysore Ajmer Express, which is expected to arrive at 6:45. This is the view of the Pune railway station. As always, busy, crowded. The train was on time and this video was a mandate. So next day morning हमने काफ़ी मज़ा किया. So our entire journey was approx 18 hours. We played cards. There was singing sessions in the train and we enjoyed a lot. Actually, I love train journeys. You can literally remember every minute you are in the train. And it was quite a long journey, so we had to enjoy ourselves. We reached Ajmer station on time. Reached Ajmer station. So as soon as we came out of the Ajmer station, it was around 3 p.m. and I have observed so many things. The architecture, the buildings, they were so different. So then we took a bus from Ajmer to Pushkar. Now Pushkar is the place where the famous Mandir of Lord Brahma is situated. Now this is our stay place and ये माहेश्वरी धर्मशाला है जो कि पुष्कर में ही है and it is quite affordable. अगर आपका ज़्यादा दिन का stay नहीं है then this can definitely be the option for you. एंड और एक चीज़ जो मैंने ऑब्ज़र्व की, यहाँ पे हर गली में काफ़ी ज़्यादा काउस थी. So the people here were quite humble and they were so welcoming. The rickshaw driver himself suggested us many places we could visit to. So firstly we decided to go to Registan. So यहाँ पे ऐसी काफ़ी ज़्यादा shops थी from where you could take camel rides, motor car rides, etc. सो हमने कैमल राइड लेने का डिसाइड किया था एंड द प्राइस ही कोटेड वाज अराउंड 2000 to 2500 डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच राइड you take, but then we almost bargained and the price was reduced to half. So it totally depends upon the bargaining skills you have. So this was the camel ride. ऐसा भी ऑप्शन था कि एक पर्सन एक कैमल लेके जा सकता है, but then we opted for this option because this felt quite interesting and it was seriously quite enjoyable. And this was the view to the Registan. It was so beautiful, the mountains covered with the fog, greenery everywhere around. So we stopped here to click some pictures and we clicked n number of photos with this beautiful view. उसके बाद ये जो कैमल्स है वो सारे एक जगह पे जाके रुक जाते हैं एंड हियर देर आर मैनी टेंट्स where basically these people rent out the typical Rajasthani dresses, but they were charging a quite high price which I felt was not that satisfactory. They also do the photo shoots, but the ride was amazing and the price we paid was satisfied. We were satisfied with that. Then we went to the Pushkar market and this was the second place which people suggested us. अभी यहाँ पे चीज़ें कई जगह पे कुछ सस्ती थी and then somewhere I felt they were just overpriced. बट शॉपिंग करना तो बनता ही है when you go to a new place. So मैंने कुछ चीज़ें खरीदी थी ये मार्केट से. The next day morning we visited the Pushkar temple at 7 a.m. एंड पुष्कर मंदिर का काफ़ी एक हिस्टोरिक बैकग्राउंड है which is there is only one temple of Lord Brahma in the whole world, due to the reason that goddess Savitri, Lord Brahma's wife, had cursed him कि आपका पूरे विश्व में एक ही मंदिर होगा, because he performed a yagna where his wife was needed, but due to the unavailability of goddess Savitri, he married Gayatri ji to perform the yagna, and this was the reason goddess Savitri had cursed him, and there is only one mandir of Lord Brahma in the whole world. After that, we had some lassi just outside the Pushkar temple. Now the one thing that I observed was पुष्कर मंदिर के बाहर जो ये shops थे, immediately बाहर जो shops थे, they were quite cheap than the shops that I visited the earlier day. Everything here was just so colorful and I loved the typical Rajasthani designs. हम मेरता के लिए निकल रहे हैं जहाँ पे हमारे कुल देवी का मंदिर है, और हम यहाँ से मारवाड़ स्टेशन जाएंगे, वहाँ से बस पकड़ के फिर हम मेरता के लिए निकलेंगे. So we checked out from our rooms with all our luggage and then we went to the मारवाड़ जंक्शन. मारवाड़ जंक्शन से मेरता सिटी के लिए हमने बस ली थी, और मेरता सिटी से और एक बस करके हम हमारी कुलदेवी माता के मंदिर तक गए थे. So due to rains there was only and only greenery all around and the views were quite scenic. ये हमारी कुलदेवी माता का मंदिर है. हमारी कुलदेवी माता जो है वो ब्रह्मानी माता है, और ये मंदिर मेरता रोड पर ही सिचुएटेड है. So we halted here for about 4 to 5 hours. इस बीच हम कुछ और जगह पे भी जाके आए थे, और हमारी ट्रेन जो है वापस पुणे के लिए वो 11 बजे थी. So now we are traveling to Butati Dham, Mirabai Mandir and the Mirabai Mahal. This is the most beautiful part of our whole trip. I literally saw about 100 deers at a single time. And जो ये रोड था बुटाटी धाम जाने के लिए, it was almost from a route where both sides of the road only farms are located. It was much like a jungle safari that we felt. So this is the place which is called as Butati Dham, and it is quite famous for people who are ill with paralysis. So यहाँ पे बोलते हैं कि अगर सच्ची श्रद्धा से आओ तो आप ठीक होके ही वापस जाते हो. So the first time you visit the Butati Dham, you have to stay for 7 days if you are down with paralysis, and everything is done by the volunteers in Mandir. So you visit with one of your or two of your family members, and they have to prepare food for you. The food is provided by the people in Mandir, बट चपातीज़ जो है वो आपको ही कुक करना पड़ता है. एंड दे ओनली चार्ज यू ₹100 फॉर द फर्स्ट 7 days, and after that you can even visit for 1 or 2 days. But firstly I felt that मतलब this is not real, but when I met people and I had a talk with them, everyone were just giving positive responses कि उनको यहाँ पे टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठीक लग रहा है, एंड दे आर फीलिंग बेटर विथ इट नाउ. दे कैन वॉक. You can even see the reviews on Google. There are just positive responses about this place, and I was totally shocked. Like, if there is belief in God and belief in yourself, anything can happen. Then we visited the Mirabai Mandir, and besides it located was the Mirabai Mahal. The one thing that I noticed in the Mirabai Mandir was there were only women priests in the mandir. For giving prasad or for cleaning the mandir, I saw only women in the mandir. This is the Mirabai Mahal, and the entry ticket here was ₹10. So there are informative boards throughout the Mirabai Mahal, and a life story of Mirabai is depicted through these boards. There were attractive statues all around the Mahal. Bhajans and songs on Mirabai were even displayed on the walls. सो हम वापस हमारे कुलदेवी मंदिर आ गए थे और हम फर्स्ट टाइम विज़िट कर रहे थे, इसलिए हमने कुछ कुंवारी कन्याओं को फ्रूट्स और कुछ गिफ्ट्स लाए थे. वी वर अगेन एट द मेरता रोड जंक्शन एंड यहाँ से हमारी ट्रेन जो है वो 10:45 की थी एंड बैक टू पुणे जर्नी हैड स्टार्टेड. So on 14th of August there was also a special occasion of Teej and we had a whole day fast जो हमने ट्रेन में ही छोड़ दिया था and we had our dinner in the train itself. Thank you so much for watching the video and do let me know in the comment section about how was the video. Also thank you so much for 2000 subscribers. I'm so happy about it. Also we just crossed 81,000 views on the previous office vlog video. I'll be posting the next video on Sunday wherein I'll be answering all your questions that you have asked me about articleship, the CA classes, CA intermediate, CA final, which classes I'm doing, what is my timetable. So stay tuned for the video. Also if any more questions, comment below in this video and I'll be answering it in the next video. Thank you. Until then, bye bye. Love.